Your CarPlay keeps disconnecting in your new Hyundai, but the dealer says the USB port is fine. Here's the real reason it's failing and exactly what to say to get it fixed under warranty. The dealer's diagnostic tool is missing the problem because it's only looking for a total failure. It runs a simple check to see if the power circuit is working. Since your phone still charges, the port passes their test. But the problem isn't with the power, it's with the data connection, which is far more sensitive. The real issue is a hardware fault called fretting corrosion. Think of the tiny metal pins inside the USB port. Every time you plug in your cable, and with every small bump in the road, those pins rub together. This microscopic movement slowly wears off their protective coating, creating a fine, invisible dust of oxidized metal. This dust doesn't break the connection completely. Instead, it creates tiny, split-second spikes of high resistance. Your phone might keep charging right through it, but for the complex data handshake that CarPlay needs, that split-second interruption is enough to make it crash and disconnect. This isn't just a random glitch. We've seen this specific failure across multiple Hyundai and Kia models that use the Gen5W Navigation system. Like the Palisade and the Ioniq 5, it's tied directly to the USB Multimedia Port assembly, which has the part number 961W S8XXX. Knowing this part number is key. It proves the problem isn't your phone, your software, or your cable. It's a known failing component in the vehicle. That makes it the manufacturer's responsibility to replace. So, when you go back to the dealer, you need to change your approach. Don't just describe the problem or show them a video of it happening. That gives them an easy way to say they could not replicate the issue. You need to give them a precise, technical instruction that they can't ignore. Walk up to the service advisor and state the following clearly. I need to open a repair order for an intermittent CarPlay connection. The likely cause is fretting corrosion on the data pins of the USB Multimedia Port, part number 961W S8XXX. Please have the technician inspect the pins for evidence of wear and replace the assembly. Using these specific terms, fretting corrosion, and the exact part number, changes the conversation. It shows you've already diagnosed a known hardware fault. You're not just a customer with a glitch, you're an owner directing them to a documented failure. If they still seem hesitant, ask them to use their own certified short-length Hyundai USB cable to test the port after their inspection. This puts the burden of proof on them using their equipment. If you don't get this specific part replaced, the corrosion will only get worse. The disconnects will become more frequent until the port eventually fails to connect at all. It's a simple fix, but only if you point them directly to the right part. Give them the part number. That's how you turn a frustrating glitch into a straightforward repair.